Welcome to Aroopa Apps, a low-code, no-code platform. In this video, we will learn how to create a contact us form for Shopify. You can go into aroopapps.com and you can either sign in or sign up. Once you sign in or sign up, click on the tenant that you would like to use. And when you're there, go on the left-hand side and scroll down to Forms and select All Forms. And click on the right and click Create Forms. We're going to name this form as Shopify Form. There are many different options we can use for this form, but for this one we will be using input. When you drag and drop the input, you can label it as first name and make sure the input type is text. You can make this required, and in settings you can change the name. We can do this the same thing for last name. I'm not going to make this required, and I'm going to change the name in settings. Next, for email address, we're going to write the label as email address. And in input type, we're going to name it as email. I'm making this required, and I'm going to change the name in settings. And next, we're going to have a reason for contact area. And input type, make sure this is text area so there's many lines of writing. And lastly, we're going to add a submit button. Scroll down and click submit, and then you're going to label it as submit and make sure the button type is submit. I'm centering the button, so I'm going to click center. And once all this is done, you can make sure the draft is active and you're going to save it. Make sure the form is embedded so we can embed it into Shopify. Once you save the form, you get these two links. You can copy and paste this code and turn it into an HTML. When you go to your Shopify, scroll down to the left and click on Online Store. Select Themes, click on the three dots on the theme you would like to use, click on Edit Code. Once you're at Edit Code, search up Contact and click on Contact Form.liquid. Here you can paste the HTML link using the two codes. Once you save it, you can click on Preview Store and you can find the contact page and you can see our Aroopa Apps form. When you fill out this form with all your information, and when you submit it, you're going to see a thank you message. After seeing the thank you message, you can go back to Aroopa Apps, scroll to the top and click on All Forms. And number of submissions 1, you click on that and you can click and see the form that was submitted. If you scroll to the right, you can see all the details listed out in the list. Any questions, you can contact hello@aroopapps.com. Thank you.